To the latest coming in regarding the Kulbhushan Jadhav case, the former Indian naval officer Kulbhushan Jadhav, accused of espionage by Pakistan, has now been granted consular access. As per sources, Jadhav has access to meet with the Indian officials for a duration of 2 hours, and that meeting is currently underway. Earlier in the day, Indian officials had called for unimpeded and unconditional access to Jadhav. The call was made after Islamabad said that it could give a second consular access to Jadhav and also invited Jadhav's father and wife to meet him. This meeting of the Indian officials with Jadhav comes just days ahead of the July 20th deadline to file a review petition on the death sentence against him. Last week, the Pakistan Foreign Ministry, remember, had said that Jadhav had refused a review petition offered to him. It claimed that Jadhav had instead preferred a mercy petition. India, of course, had slammed the claim, calling it a continuation of the farce. The Indian Ministry of External Affairs said that Kulbhushan Jadhav had been coerced into refusing to file a review petition. New Delhi termed this an attempt by Islamabad to resist implementing the order given by the International Court of Justice. Last year, the ICJ had suspended the death sentence to Jadhav and asked Pakistan to review it. The court agreed with India's stance that Pakistan had violated the Vienna Convention by convicting Kulbhushan Jadhav in that farcical closed trial. Jadhav had been handed a death sentence in 2017 by a military court in Pakistan on charges of espionage. And joining us live with the broadcast this minute is our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal. Siddhant, India had been seeking that consular access ever since the first one was given, and Pakistan now, after all that while, giving that consular access. That meeting is currently underway. What's the latest that we have at this point?
Well, yes, Molly, the big story, the Indian diplomat, the Indian Deputy Envoy Gaurav Ahluwalia meeting Kulbhushan Jadhav even as we speak in Pakistan. This is the second consular access in a matter of 1 year. Remember, last time it happened was, of course, after the victory for India at the World Court, but in the early week, in the first week of September, the consular access happened with the Indian Deputy Envoy Gaurav Ahluwalia meeting him. But that time there were issues. It was not an unimpeded access, given the fact that there were cameras in the room and also Pakistani officials who were present. And the MEA release that time mentioned that it looked like Jadhav was under considerable pressure. This time around, we know the focus is on the review petition. We know that Pakistan has come up with an ordinance. The ordinance calls for the review, and for this Pakistan said that they had approached Kulbhushan Jadhav, but he had said he would rather like to go for mercy petition. Of course, we do not know under what circumstances he took the decision, given the fact that he is under Pakistani custody for almost 4 years now. The Pakistanis took, or in a sense, the notorious agency ISI captured him from Iran's Chabahar. This is what India has been saying in 2016, and since then we have seen number of developments, including India taking Pakistan to the World Court and getting that major victory. But to put things in perspective, we know that India has shown determination. In fact, when Pakistan said that under the ordinance Kulbhushan Jadhav has said no to review petition, India had said that it will do whatever possible to get the Indian citizen back, and now we have seen the diplomat meeting. But the big question is, given the fact there's 4 days left for the ordinance to expire, it's on 20th of July the ordinance will expire. Will India agree for the review petition? Will a review petition will be filed in Islamabad High Court? That is the big question, and one of the key outcomes of this meeting will be India's call on the review petition. Of course, we really don't know what is the call which has been taken as of now, because it's just been confirmed that the meeting has started and the access has been given. Do expect the story to continue till over the weekend, till the fact that India formally takes a decision on filing the case in Islamabad High Court, or going back to the World Court in The Hague to tell the world that how Pakistan is not implementing the judgment of the World Court.
Absolutely, and we keep a close eye on all of those developments coming in. Of course, thanks very much for the moment, Siddhant Sibal. That meeting is currently underway. Kulbhushan Jadhav has been granted that second consular access.